G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here with wife Jackie and our mate Catherine. And we're riding through the Wadigan State Forest on the Easter long weekend. Or at least we will be as soon as Catherine finishes giving her BMW a mud bath. Are you ready? Is that enough weight? Can you get out or not?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good one. At least you tried to get it now.
I want to get it off my big one.
Like two penguins. Thanks for getting the soft bit. Always fun riding with you, Catherine. We made our way through the Wadigans over to Cessnock, and then it was a quick run over to Singleton for lunch. Our destination for our first night's camp was going to be Timor. Timor Caves, to be exact. These are limestone caves located in the Upper Hunter Valley of New South Wales. These wild caves are in the picturesque Isaacs Creek Valley. There's no electric lights or concrete steps. This is real caving. Jackie, Catherine and I were now riding on top of the world. This is the beautiful Stony Creek Road. It runs on a ridgeline with 360-degree views, which seem to go on forever. And the weather was absolutely bonza. And it was about here that we met up with our mates Dusty Taylor, Vic, Harry's brother Robert, and the man, the legend, Howie. An Africa Twin, 3 Yamahas, 1 BMW, and 2 of the world's greatest bikes, the mighty DR650. And we set up camp with more of our mates, Craig, Jody, Matt, Jonah and Eli.
Oh, look, it just keeps going down.
Is it right to say nearly all out? Oh, Matt, head first, bro.
Huh?
Head first.
Hold on.
It was now time to go caving.
Go, brother.
Huh?
Come on, man.
Just needed to coax Matt deeper into the
Are
caves.
you sure we're going to be able to get out?
Yeah, we'll pull ourselves up those, that'll be right.
Huh?
Yeah, we'll just pull ourselves up at telling time.
That's easy.
Go down then.
I can go last
Alright.
and climb up.
Go down so you can get through. Just slide straight through.
Oh, do a selfie. We want a selfie down here in this cave.
After a top night's caving, sitting around the fire having a few drinks, it doesn't get any better than that. We were up bright and early because it was time to make a move. We said farewell to our mates Craig, Jody, Matt, Jonah and Eli, and we left the Timor Caves. We were now heading over the beautiful Crawny Pass and making our way to the town of Nundle. It's a village in the New England region of New South Wales and a great place for a feed, and that's exactly what we were there for. We fueled our bikes up, had some breakfast, and then it was time to make tracks. We were now riding the cells and making our way over to Gingers on the Oxley Highway. and after a relaxing lunch at the Ginger's Cafe, it was time to continue on. We still had loads more riding in front of us. We still had to check out the Blue Knob Lookout, and then make our way over to the beautiful Ellenborough Falls, a horsetail waterfall on the headwaters of the Ellenborough River. This is the mid-north coast region of New South Wales, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Our next stop was going to be the small rural village of Comboyne, which lies west of Port Macquarie, historically a timber and dairy town, but today it's known for its cut flower farms, avocado, kiwi fruit, blueberries, macadamias and potatoes. And we were lucky enough to be camping on the beautiful avocado and macadamia farm, which was owned by Bruce, who happened to be Catherine's cousin. The hospitality that Bruce and his wife Sue showed us was wonderful, and Bruce and his brother David were nice enough to give us all a lift down to the local RSL club for dinner. The following day we had a tour of the farm before setting off and making our way towards Gloucester. And that's where us boys said goodbye to wife Jackie and Catherine, and we hit the beautiful trails that wind their way through the magnificent countryside that would take us to the town of Nowandock. And that's where my ride with the boys finished. After a great lunch I bid farewell to Vic, Howie, Rob and Dusty. They were riding over to Moonan Flat, and I was going to head back towards home through Gloucester. The Easter long weekend for us had been absolutely epic. I'm artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching everyone.